This video will show you how you can access resources from the WarshTech website to help you with remote learning at Boston. Once you're on the WarshTech website, on the home page, you will have there's links to access Google Classroom, Google Drive, and Clever, which you can use, which is what you need to access iReady. Below it are video tutorials for how you can connect with your classroom via Zoom. Here is a video tutorial about how to log into iReady, and here is specific classroom connection information, how you can connect to your teachers via email, and also what time your daily connection time is. So you have the grade, the teacher, the connection time, and then their email, and eventually the links for the connections will be here. So this is kind of one-stop shopping. So in the beginning, you're going to need to be able to access iReady. You can click here for iReady, and here's the video again for connections. If you are a 2nd through 8th grader, my suggestion is to click on Google Drive and get yourself logged in, because then any other applications that require you to log in with Google, you will be logged into your Google account. If you already added yourself as a person on a Chromebook, and if you understand what I'm saying, then you know whether you did it or not. And if you don't understand what add person is, do not worry about it. If you've already added yourself a person, you will not need to do this because you know you are already logged into your Google Drive. But for those of you who logged in as Boston Public user, this is the best way to log into Google Drive so you can use Sign In with Google for other programs. It's asking for your email. Remember, your email is your username ann@aurorak12.org. If you are ever on any website that asks you to sign in with Google and it asks for your email, you do need your username plus the @aurorak12.org. So if your username was on a slip of paper in the bag that came with your Chromebook, and there was other information, but your username is your first name, the first letter of your last name, and the last 4 digits of your student ID number. Your password, most of you already remember your password, but just in case you didn't, your password, it will be right next to it, and the first 4 characters are letters, and the last 4 are numbers. So remember, if it's in the first 4, this is the letter O, and for example, this is the letter L, because it is the first 4. This is not a 1. In the last 4, this is a 0, not an O. So you just need to, for your username, type in your username and type in, and @AuroraK12 is already there. And I will say this once again, if you have to log into something and it's asking you to sign in with Google and you haven't already signed in with Google and you get a window asking for your email address, if it does not have @aurorak12.org after it, you have to type that in yourself. Now, speaking to accessing classroom resources for your specific grade level, your teacher may be using Google Classroom if you are 2nd through 8th grade, and they will let you know. On my website, you can go to the different grade levels, and on the bottom of each table of links, on the bottom, I also have links for Clever, for iReady, for Google Drive as well, and then there will be Zoom meeting links. So you're going to look for the word Zoom. These are for your daily connection meeting with your teachers. Make sure you find your teachers' names because there will be multiple teachers' names on the grade levels. So for example, this is kindergarten, it will have Martinez and Renwick. Your teachers might also be asking you to go do on different activities on the WarshTech website. If they ask you to find something on the WarshTech website, all you have to do is go to classes and your grade level, and they will tell you what you are looking for. If you have any issues, you need your login, or you have any questions, email your teacher and we will figure it out. Last but not least, when you're done using your Chromebook, if you are sharing your Chromebook with a brother or a sister in your house, log off. So log off everything. So make sure if you are in iReady that you go and log out of Clever. If you are in Google Classroom, click on your profile and sign out of Google. This will also, or should also, sign you out of Google Drive. So basically the important things are make sure you log out of Clever and log out of Google Drive or Google Classroom. If you logged in as yourself on the Chromebook, you added yourself to the Chromebook, make sure you log out or exit session if you're sharing your Chromebook with your with your siblings. Remember how annoyed you get when you come into my classroom and someone else has been logged on and they didn't log off. So keep the peace in the house, people, and log out. That's it from Mrs. Warsh. Hope you're all doing well.